Hey everybody, today we're doing another collab and we're also doing another one of these fun makeup challenges, and this one is Instagram picks my makeup. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. This is going to be so fun, guys. Today we're doing a collab, and I'm doing it with Miss Loretta, and her channel is called Chix Trix. You've got to check her out. She does so many fun things. She does a lot of tutorials. She is really good. I suggest you check those out, but I will link her down below. So just make sure you go check her channel out and tell her I sent you and give her some love. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now, this will be a voiceover because this has been one of the busiest days that I have had yet. So it is going to be in voiceover form. So I will go ahead and show you the picture that come up on my Instagram. First of all, guys, I'm going way too fast. Let me tell you the point of this makeup challenge. Okay, this is where you go onto your Instagram, and the very first picture that pops up, the very first picture you see, we are supposed to take some inspiration from that to make an eye look, a lip look, you know, just whatever it is that you want to do. If you want to do a full face, that is perfectly fine. But it is basically almost like the Google Picks My Makeup, but we are using Instagram instead. So this is the picture that I got. Now, do y'all see that? Man, talk about pressure. This girl is so awesome. And another thing, I'm also going to link her Instagram down at the bottom below. I think she has got some of the most beautiful pictures that I've ever seen. So do go check her out also. And guys, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, from what it looked like in the picture, she has got an all matte orange look, and there is a little bit of shimmer up under her brow bone, and of course the highlight and stuff on her face, which we will try to recreate later on in the tutorial. Now, this is my LA Colors. This is that new strobing powder thing or whatever. It is Gleaming Goddess, and it is just such a beautiful highlight, guys. So I did use this for my brow bone. Now, this is the shade Creamsicle in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we are, of course, doing an all matte orange look. Now, we are going to use this dark yellow color, and we're using this for the transition shade, and it's just going to make those oranges and everything else blend so beautifully. But she has a gorgeous look, and all I could see is the corner of her eye, so I do add a little bit of highlight on the inner corner of my eye, assuming that she did that. You just can't see it from the picture because she did have a lot of pop and highlight on the face. Now, this is my Milani Earthy Elements palette, and I'm taking that bright orange, the vibrant bright orange that is in that palette, and I'm going to use this for the crease shade. The only thing I don't like about this palette is they don't name the shades. So all I can tell you is it's the vibrant orange color that's in there. And now this is a little bit dark. It's really a brown, and it's just got an orangey undertone. It's really beautiful. And it actually goes on my eyelid darker than the bright orange. So I am using that for another crease shade just to make sure that there is going to be a difference in the dark to light from when I add color to my lid. And of course, every color that I lay, I do blend. I don't show all that in this video, but make sure you blend every color you lay down. Now, back to that vibrant orange, we are putting this on our lid. And I just simply pack that on. I did not put a concealer on underneath it. I usually do, but usually that's just for shimmer shades. So I decided to just leave the concealer out. Now, before I did start this, my eyes are already primed and ready to go. So that part was not shown, and I forgot to tell you about that. Now back in with that rusty brown orange shade, and I'm going to go back into the crease with this and just darken it up a little bit. Like I said, we want to see the difference in dark to light from the lid to the crease. It just makes it look so beautiful, and this was such a gorgeous look. Now at the end, it don't exactly look like the girl from Instagram, but of course that's why they're there on Instagram, because they are pros, honey, let me tell you. And of course, blend every shade. Now back to that rusty orange, I am taking one of the thinnest brushes that I have, and I'm going to kind of tight line, but not in my waterline, but tight line my lower lash line with this. And I bring it about a fourth of the way, so I don't go all the way in with it. And then back to the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is Creamsicle. I am going to go ahead and blend. That's basically like a transition shade, and I'm going to blend that darker line out on my lower lash line. Now back in with Gleaming Goddess. This is what I use to highlight the inner corner of my eye. And again, I am assuming that she had this on. You just couldn't see it from the picture because she took it from the side, so you couldn't even see what she had on her inner corner. And I'm assuming she did because it was such a beautiful matte look. I know she had to put a shimmer there. Okay, now this is my Ciate London pencil. It's, I think, Wonderland pencil, and it's just a black pencil liner. And I am going to use this to put on my waterline, the top one and the bottom one. And again, her eyes were closed, so I'm pretty sure she had eyeliner on. That's why I went ahead and done this. And another thing, she did have lashes on, and I am out of lash glue, so I used the biggest, boldest mascara that I had, and you will see that in a few minutes. But again, I'm just tight lining with that black pencil. And I always make sure to get that outer V on the waterline. I get that really good. Now this is the Pure Fully Charged Mascara. This is the magnetic mascara. This, I'm telling you, it gives your lashes so much length. It's ridiculous. And I wanted to make it look like I had falsies when I didn't really have falsies. So that's why we done that. And I do put one coat on the lower lash line. I do like a little bit of a pop on that lower lash line. Not much, but a little. And of course, I always take forever to do my mascara. Now, this is the finished eye look. Now, this is the LA Colors. This is a lip pencil, and I absolutely love this pencil. It is in shade Burgundy, and I use it just about for every lip color. I just love it. It darkens the outer part of your lip, and it goes with everything, and it just makes your lips look so much bigger, especially if you put on a shade that is slightly lighter than this shade. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. And that's what well, it's not really going to be lighter than this, but it is a difference in a shade, because she did have a cooler toned, like a purple undertone lipstick. I don't know why with the eye look. That's the only thing I didn't like about it, but we still follow what we've seen. So we are going to go ahead and line our lips. Now this is the Broadway Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in shade One Fine Day. And it looks almost like the exact same color she had on her lips. Now again, I would have went maybe with a different color, maybe with something with a little bit more peach in it, or maybe just a plain basic nude with this eye look. But I am doing it the way she done it in the Instagram. And again, her look was so beautiful. And back in with Gleaming Goddess. Now this, you're about to find out what this highlighter can do. It is amazing. And I believe it was $2 or $3. I know it was one of those prices. And I just cannot believe they are so cheap with this. I mean, this is a $20 highlight all day in my book. I'm telling you, it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And this is something new that they come out with, but I'm telling you, one layer of this is all you need. And of course, I do my Cupid's bow,
my nose, and also my cheekbones, and I do above my brow bone. And this again is the same shade that I used to highlight my brow bone under the eyebrow. And this is just where I'm blending it out because it is such a strong highlight. But again, she had a really strong highlight in the picture. That's why I went with this. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.
And guys, that is it for this video, and this is the finished look. I know it does not compare to the picture, so I don't want to hear that in my comment section. I already know. Don't forget to go see Miss Loretta. Her channel is Chix Trix, and I know there's a lot of you already sub to her. You already know her. You know who she is. She is a very beautiful person. So don't forget to go check her out. Tell her I sent you. And if you like this challenge, if you like this video, if you like me in general, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you all, and I'll see you next video. Bye.